Hey everyone, today I will show you how to activate my mobile eSIM. It's very easy to do. First, go to my mobile website and select an eSIM plans for the country where you're traveling. For example, I am selecting this one. Then you can find their full selection of eSIM card on my mobile. Select a package from here, your preferable one. Then you will easily receive a QR code via email within 5 minutes. Then from your phone, go to settings. Then in the settings section, go to cellular settings from here. Then from the cellular data, go to select add eSIM. Then you will need to scan the QR code. Then enter the activation details. That's how you can activate your My Mobile eSIM. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.